Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous
100 layers challenge. 1 layer, 10 layers, 20 layers, 30 layers, 40 layers, 50 layers, 60 layers, 70 layers, 80 layers, 90 layers, 100 layers. Please send help. 100 layers challenge. 1 layer, 10 layers, 20 layers, 30 layers, 40 layers, 50 layers, 60 layers, 70 layers, 80 layers, 90 layers, 100 layers. Please send help.
style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
We have to try this with the Color Bloom blushes from SheGlam. The packaging is everything. I love the applicator. Give it a little shake. We are using the shade Love Cake. It's a W. This is gonna give me the perfect sun-kissed glow. And these blushes have a gel cream formula so they melt into the skin. And they're also infused with vitamin C, so they're gonna help brighten and hydrate your skin. And depending on the look you're going for, you can definitely tone these blushes down or amp them up. I'm gonna amp them up a little. They're so easy to blend out, and it has a really lightweight formula, so it's blendable, smooth, and buildable. They come in 8 shades for only $5. What shade are we trying next?
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art. Style.